The Supreme Court hearing on the Trinamool Congress's contempt plea against the Tripura government has, for now, we are being told, has been adjourned. Briefly, just for about half an hour, Trinamool Congress, remember, had sought action against BJP-led Tripura government for failing to curtail violent incidents against opposition parties in the run-up to upcoming local body elections, the civic elections that are expected soon in Tripura. Now, the TMC lawyer has asked Supreme Court to consider to reschedule the elections in the state, alleging there have already been 7 incidents of violence and not one single arrest. The Tripura government has countered these claims by the TMC, calling it a politically contrived petition. The tensions already are escalating. Meanwhile, back in the state of Tripura, that with just municipal body elections that are slated in the next few days on 25th November. Justice Chandrachud has asked Tripura government for their security plan for the day, which is the last of the polling day, and that is today, and the polling day of November 25th. The Supreme Court bench, remember, gave the Tripura government half an hour time to get back with a detailed security plan if they have. And the hearing, this already comes. Why this is so significant? Because actor turned TMC leader Sauni Ghosh had been taken into arrest, then got bail in Agartala on the charges of criminal intimidation, even attempt to murder. And that happened on Monday.
उन लोगों ने बाहर से कम 1000 लोगों को अगरतला सिटी में दे के ला के हमारी सिटी का सम्मान को नुकसान करने के लिए और हमारे यहाँ पर एक साजिश रच के यहाँ पर शांति को विघ्नित करने के लिए, वहाँ पे परिवेश को खराब करने के लिए उन लोगों ने ऐसा कर रहे हैं। पूरा बाहर का साजिश है।
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऊपर पुरानी बात है। तो पिछले 7 साल से जब भी आई है, जिस प्रकार जांच एजेंसियों का, जिस तरह से पुलिस बल का दुरुपयोग सत्ता के लिए, तो जो राजनीतिक दुरुपयोग किया जा रहा है, उपयोग किया जा रहा है, वो अत्यंत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इसके ऊपर रोक लगनी चाहिए।
All right, Nalini Sharma is tracking all the latest on that, the legal aspect specifically. So what are we expecting by the Supreme Court hearing that will resume in just a short while? What precisely is this brief adjournment for, Nalini? Because from what I see here on the ground, this is like a Bengal playbook between TMC BJP face-off that is repeating in Tripura now.
Well, Pooja, it's been a short hearing before the Supreme Court, no doubt. But irrespective of that, there are several important key takeaways that have emerged from this hearing. The first and the foremost, of course, being that Tripura has asked the Supreme Court to seriously consider rescheduling the polls that are scheduled for the 25th of November, where the counsel who was appearing for the TMC has stated before the Supreme Court that heavens will not fall if the polls are rescheduled. And under the current circumstances, there is no question of free and fair elections even happening in Tripura, so they should only be rescheduled. In addition to that, Mahesh Jethmalani, who is appearing for the Tripura government, which is, by the way, appearing before the Supreme Court even before a notice has been issued to them on this contempt petition. So they appeared before the Supreme Court and they stated that this is a politically contrived petition, which means that TMC, fearing the results that are going to be the outcome of these polls, is trying to delay the polls till a much later date. And that is essentially why they filed repetitive petitions. In fact, Mahesh Jethmalani gave full details of the proceedings that went on before the Tripura High Court, talking about how TMC had approached the Tripura High Court, asking for the hearing to be adjourned to a later date and then move the Supreme Court in an urgent petition. So they are trying to portray that this is a politically contrived petition from the part of the TMC. So the Supreme Court has adjourned the hearing till 12:45.
Okay.
They've categorically asked Mahesh Jethmalani to get instructions on exactly what are the security arrangements from today, which is the last day of campaigning, right till the day that the election results are going to be declared.
All right, so at 12:45, yes, Nalini, then I'll come back to you because this is going to be a big day and likely a long day for both the Trinamool Congress and the BJP and will be fought legally in the court.